So this actually says touch screen or press any button. So the screen's working, the digitizers, but it's not letting us put in any other inputs. So I think there's something else going on in the system here. The system's responding to key presses, button presses. I think I'm going to have to take this screen and digitizer out and try it in a different system. So this is a blue, and this one confirmed work and top screen works. So let's use these two together, see if I can work out what the faults are. Seems to be a piece missing here. There's an extra part here. It's not on this one. What's that for, I wonder? Okay, so that's a working screen and a working digitizer. And let's pop it in this white one. Wi-Fi card back on. Right, let's try this. So it is the digitizer. That seems okay. So it does look like I've damaged the digitizer somehow. So the digitizer, but it was working. It looks to me, that's as close as I can go. Let's bring that in focus. There's a tiny tear on this first one, just there. You can see where the pins on the motherboard attach to here. So if I could push that ribbon cable in by about, it's a tiny amount, if I could push that cable in a little bit more to come past this tear, I might be able to salvage. That. So what I need to do is I need to trim off the end, and I need to trim off these little lugs here, so that goes in. The side cutters. Look absolutely huge and they're tiny. So the lugs don't go in all the way, so I might get away with that without having to cut them lugs off. So we'll take this one back out. Put the white one back in. I have to go back underneath the scope. So this is the one I've cut off. Hopefully I can get this in far enough to go past that cut. Let's see if it'll work without the antennas put on. Right, here we are. Yes. We've salvaged that one. Brilliant. So that's a quick update. Managed to get that one working. So now we'll just need to look at the top screen. Brilliant.